Yes, hello. I welcome you to my today's wonderful lesson. Today, let us have the Muki class lessons for mathematics 2026 preparation. Okay, so uh, today we are having two questions. The other question is coming from the coordinate geometry under the gradient, and the other question is coming from calculus. Okay, so according to the first question, so I'm going to be solving. I'll divide the board in this form. I'll first solve the equation, which is number 1a, and also number 1b. I'll solve it from this other side. Okay, according to the question, they're saying 2 points a and b are coordinates, which is -5, 3 and -1, a respectively. Given that the gradient of the line, which is AB, is 2, now they're saying find the value of A. So according to the coordinates given, we are given the coordinates for A as what? As -5, -3. And the coordinate for B, it is what? -1, A. And now they have given the gradient as what? As 2. So now we are asked to find or calculate the value of A. So here we are going to use the formula for gradient, where we are going to say the gradient of AB, which is this, okay, is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, where we have the gradient I've said it's 2, so we are going to insert 2 here, is equals to. Okay, let me just not forget to indicate the what? To indicate the y1, y2. Okay, so this is x1, this is y1, x2, y2. Guess you can see that. Then now here we are going to imply the values. Y2, there it is this one, which is a, which we don't know, minus y1, which is -3. Okay, I've had to insert it into the bracket because you can see this negative is coming from the formula. Then divided by our x2, from there it is what? It's -1. X1, it is what? It is -5. So enclose it into the bracket. Okay, this negative is from the formula. Then now we are going to have 2 is equals to, here we are going to have a, negative times negative, it's positive. So you are going to have this. Okay, then you divide. Here we are going to have -1, negative times negative, it's positive, then 5, like that. Then divided by 1. Okay, guys, you can see that. And now here we are going to multiply 1 times z, everything that you can see this side. We are going to have everything just like a plus 3, just like that, is equals to, here we are going to have 2, this plus this is this plus this. The answer is what? The answer here, it is +4, right? Okay, then now what are we going to do? We are going to have a plus 3 is equals to, this times this, the answer, it is 8. Then a is equals to 8. We are going to transpose this to this other side. We are going to have negative what? -3. Okay, a is equals to this minus this, the answer, it is 5. So the value of a qualifies to be 5. That is the way on how you answer the first question. Okay, secondly, we have this question, which is B under calculus. So once you come across the terms like the dy dx, they're saying given that y is given this equation, now they're saying find the dy dx. Okay, so once you just come across the word dy dx, it is part of differential calculus. You know, calculus is divided into two, which is integration and differentiation. So once you just come across the term dy dx, find the dy dx or find the derivative, it simply means that you need to differentiate. So according to this, we have y, which represents the dy, the dx, the dy, dx, which is y represents this. Okay, is equals to 4 x to the power 3 minus 2x to the power 2 plus 1. Okay, so what are we going to do? You know, if we talk about the differential calculus, you kindly multiply this base times the superscript, which is the power times the base, then the power will subtract minus 1 because we are different, it's part of differentiation. Then if it's a constant value, we are just going to remove it. Okay, so that is an easy pace. We are going to multiply this times this is what? It is 12. We are going to have 12x, then 3. We are going to have 3 minus 1. Always you subtract minus 1. Okay, so according to this, we are going to multiply this times this is what? It's negative 4x, like that. Then now we are going to subtract 2 minus what? Minus 1. Okay, then according to the constant here, as we if you want to just remove it, but you know this simply means 0 minus 1, okay, which will imply to have nothing. So it's better you remove a constant under differentiation. Okay, so by doing so here, we are going to subtract. Here we are going to have what? We are going to have 12x. This minus this is power 2 minus 4x. This minus this is 1, and we don't write the 1 like that. Okay, here it simply means that you are done finding the two questions. Okay, don't forget to go like on the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow for more. Okay, this has been your tutor, Mr. RB. Bye bye.